guys, welcome back to my channel Strong Code Lab. In this video I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step on how you can write a SQL code or queries in your Visual Studio Code. So first of all, make sure you have an internet connection on your computer and launch your Visual Studio Code. I created a folder. This is my project name, SQL tutorial. Here I got it to come to my screen. Yes, once you have done this, the first thing you need to do again is to go to extension, navigate to this icon here. It's an extension icon. Click on it and install some SQL extension that we are going to be using for our code. So when you come to this place, just type the name of the extension that you want to use, and in my case I'll be using my SQL. I think my internet connection is not there, so I can't get it from there. So I can scroll down small and get this place. I say my SQL. Now when I go to here, I'll click on it. It opens here, and in this place I supposed to hit install, but because I have already installed this on my system, I will not install it again. You can go ahead and install it once you are here. Just get the points, my SQL, and install it here. Allow it to install completely, and once you are done installing, we go back to our Visual Studio code here. Now once you install that completely, this icon displays here, this database icon displays here. What are we going to do? We go ahead and click on it once just to create a connection. When we click on this database, we will see this here. In my case, I already had some connection established, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new connection. But in your own case, you might not have this established already. What you need to do is click on this plus icon and create a connection, that is add connection. I'll go ahead and click on this plus icon, and on this place, on this connect page, I'll go ahead and enter my I'll go ahead and say I want to create a SQLite. I'm using SQLite to create, and I select SQLite here. Come back here and enter the name of what I want to get. So let me call this SQL tutorial. Yeah, I just name it anything. Just name the connection anything that you want to name it. In my case, I name it SQL tutorial. I'll go ahead and scroll down, come to this place. I will find out that I need a path where I want my file to be stored, where I want my SQL file to be stored. I have not gotten that. What I need to do is I'll go back to my main file here, and create this file. Was created on my desktop, and I took it to this place. That is a SQL tutorial. I'll go ahead here and create a new file. I'll call this file tutorial.database.db. I'll hit enter. Now I have created something there. Now I'll go back to this place and continue from here. So click on this path, data path. Click on this place to locate where your data path should be saved. I'll click on this. I'll get to my desktop here. I'll look for the folder I've installed, which is a SQL tutorial. I'll get SQL tutorial, open. I'll select the tutorial, which is the database I've created, and click open. Now you see I have attached the path to this place. Now I can go ahead and save my connection save, click on save, and you see my connection has been added to this place. Then I have to go ahead and connect my. When you save the connection, you will see success message here. You see connection, success, connection saved. If you didn't see this, if you have an error here, you know you didn't follow the right procedures or you didn't get it well. So the connection will stay you success here, and you know that the connection has been added. If you look at here, you see we are having a database here already. I'm having 0 kilobytes. Let us go ahead and connect the connection that we have created. Click on connect, and you see here I have success again, connection success, and it costs this milliseconds. So now I've created my connection successfully. I can go ahead and close my database and come back to this which I have created. Come back to this here which I have created. If I click on it, you will see now we have query, we have tables, and we have views. So at this point we are having tables and we're having no table on this place, and here our query, we had no query here. So you go ahead, let us go ahead and create our table. Our first SQL script. Click on plus query. Here we say create query. Let's give it a name. I will call this tutorial. I'm using tutorial because this is a tutorial video. If you are working on a real life project, you can use any name that you want to give to it. Then once you are done, hit enter, and automatically a connection has been created. Now look at this place. You now have active. This is the connection line. So you just get this. Once this is here, you know that you are connected to the database. Now you can start writing your code. So let me create a table. If you click on this place, you will see that we don't have any table here. We have no table here. So let's go ahead and create a table to test what we are doing, to know if this is working already. I have this. Say create a table, company. The table name is company. Then I add some columns, company's ID, integer this, then trade, variable character number, that is number of characters that we need. And this is the columns. These are the 3 columns that we have in this table. Let's go ahead and execute this table and know if this table is going to be generated or something in our table. Now let's go ahead and run this table, and we see that we now have execution completed in this, which means we have a successful table. Let's now go ahead and click on the table here to know if this has reflected in this place. Now we see we have a table called company, which is what we have here. If we click on this, and we see the columns that we have in our table, the company's ID as the primary key, the trade, and the number of employees. Now you can see that you have created your SQL, or you have established a query on your SQL in your Visual Studio Code. Thank you guys. I hope this video should be resourceful to you. If this video you think is resourceful to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and you can like the video and also drop your comments if you have anything concerning the video that you want us to talk about. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.